So children, welcome to another lecture of mathematics, and we had done question number 6. Some questions someone had asked. Question number 30B from exercise 16. And the answer was wrong there, so just edit that or correct that. Now see, we'll go back to the exercise 16.4 that we were covering, and see, you have to take it this thing importantly, that means consider this, that how the questions are there related to circles also and triangles, Pythagoras theorem, lot of things are coming to each other. So we had started 16.4 already, and we'll take few more questions. So it will be our lecture number 19 on this. So a lot of classes you have taken, but this will be the last one, the last exercise this is. So we will be taking up these questions. So let's take a sample question from exercise 16.4. Many we have done already. Let's do a few more questions. So it is mensuration only. And it is lesson 15, lecture 19, and exercise 16.4. Now see, there are questions based on diagrams also, and there are questions. So let's see some question. Now there is one question, that is question number 13. A certain quantity I am taking. Last question which I had taken was question number 12. 12 I had taken. Okay. Now let me take question number 17 now. Question number 17 on this topic. Question 17 says, a cube of metal 6 cm edge is melted and cast into a cuboid whose base is 9 cm into 8 cm. Find the height of the cuboid. So now see, in these type of questions, what is there, that will be is that here the volume of the cube and volume of the cuboid will remain same. So volume of cube. So melted and recast. Melted and recast. Whenever you find this word melted and recast, you will always come to one formula or one conclusion, that there has to be volumes will be equal. That means no extra. Considering that nothing extra is added, so volume of cube will be what? How much it will be? 6 centimeters there. Sorry, question number 17. So 6 centimeter edge is there. So volume of cube will be 6 centimeter cube. So 6 is 36. 36 is 216 centimeter cube. Now see, melted and recast, that means the resulting cuboid which will be formed will have the same volume. The resulting cuboid formed will have the same volume. So what are the dimensions of the cuboid given? Base is 9 into 8. Base is 9 into 8 means, how will draw it? See, I will draw this one. Now melted and recast means this. And what they have asked? Height they have asked. Height. So the base is how much? Base is 9 into 8. So length is 9 and breadth is 8. So they have given the idea about base, so 9 everywhere. Now this height h they have asked. Okay, now you get the idea about this. So, right here, let the height of cuboid not read, it is casted. So it is casted on na? Height of the cuboid casted. Casted is equal to h centimeter. Therefore, volume of cuboid. What is volume of cuboid? Volume of cuboid will be 9 into 8 into h. 9 into 8 into h centimeter cube. That means 72 h centimeter cube. Then right here, according to question, according to question, 72h will be equal to 216. H will be equal to 216 upon 72 centimeter. This you can further solve. So it is equal to how much? 3 centimeter. Now see what is in this question. Let's match the answer also. Exercise 16.4 it is. See, 17th question is answer is 3 centimeter only. Now see in this nothing is there, only melting and recast. Very easy question. I will say it is a very easy question and nothing much is here details are required. Okay. Let's try to take one more question. Very easy question it was. So we have done question number okay. See, there are questions based on inner and outer dimensions also. Like suppose question number 21. 21 says the inner dimensions of the closed box are given. The thickness of wood is, now see, inner dimensions. With the inner dimensions given and thickness given. So let's write inner dimensions. Inner dimensions is equal to Li is equal to what? The inner dimensions, inner length is 2, 1.2 and 0.75. 2 meter. Bi. Inner breadth is 1.2 meter. And Hi is equal to 0.75 meter. And what else? Thickness is given. Now see, this thickness will be added to the length if we are moving from inner dimension to outer dimension. So right here, outer dimensions will be equal to L outer. What will it be? It will be 2.5 centimeter. So this you will, so 2.5 centimeter means you will divide by 100. So that will be added to the total outer dimensions. Either, so 2.5, so 2 meter plus 2.5 is there, na? This 2.5 we can convert to divide by 100. So it will be how much? 0.02. That means 2.025. Into 2 will do, na? That's why multiply 2. 2 into 0.025. Into how much it will be? 0.025 into 0.025 into 2 plus 2, that is 2.05. So it will be 2.05 meter. Breadth, which is outer breadth, how much it will be? So 1.2 plus 2 into 0.025. That means again, so these all things you must be done very properly. Into 2 plus 1.2, so it will be 1.25 meter. Don't go into centimeters, I will recommend, because the question will become the calculation will be very lengthy. Look, because see question, the dimensions are all given in meters. They are expecting us to do in meters only. So 0.75. So 0.75 plus 2 into 0.025. You may write here that outer dimension. Li means inner length, inner breadth. So it will again what? 0.025 into 2 plus 0.75. That means 0.8. 0.8 meter. Now see, now with the data of dimensions, inner dimension you are knowing, outer dimension you are knowing. Now how can you find the volume of wood? Volume of wood will be the outer volume minus inner volume. Okay, so right here, let's see what the question is asked first. So whenever these things are given, you must calculate. Now see, the thickness is given. Find the cost of wood required if 1 meter cube of wood is equal to this much. So right here, outer volume is equal to what? .05 into 1.25 into 0.8 meter cube. How much is that? Inner volume is equal to 2 into 1 meter cube. Just multiply and get it. So it will be 2.05 into 1.25 into 0.8. So it will be 2.05 only meter cube, and the product of this 2 into 1.2 into 0.75 will be 1.8 meter cube. So right here, volume of wood will be equal to 2.05 minus 1.8 meter cube. So how much volume of wood? Now see, they have not only stopped our volume of wood, they have asked also the cost. So now it is just like you are calculating the perimeter and then calculating the cost of wire required. So similar approach you will have here also. So it will be 0.25 meter cube. Now see, what is the cost given? The cost of 1 meter cube is 5400. So 0.25 means what? 1/4. So see, for 1 meter cube the cost is given. So how will calculate for this one? So right here, cost of 1 meter cube of wood is equal to rupees 5400. Therefore, cost of 0.25 meter cube is equal to rupees 5400 into 0.25. 0.5 is what? 1 by 4. So rupees, it should come 25 zeros are 25 zeros are 25 fours are 100. So 0, 10 carry. 25 are 125. 125 and 10, 135. 135. 2 zeros on decimal side. So 1350.00. That means rupees 1350. Let's match the answer here. Exercise 17.4, question number 21. Sorry, 16.4, question number 21. Yes, rupees 1350 has come. Nothing new, only for the calculation of the cost of wood, what you will do is that you will calculate the inner dimensions. First, inner dimensions are given. To calculate the outer dimensions, you will multiply 2 into thickness. Then you get outer dimensions. Then you calculate outer volume and inner volume. When you subtract the outer volume from inner volume, you will get the volume of wood required or volume of wood that is used in making that. Then cost of 1 meter cube is given and you multiply with that and get the cost of the wood that is required there.